grade chilling up at page 53. We're going to do exercise 8. So underline the correct verb choice in each sentence. So like I always ask you, if you can circle it, it's easier for me to see. In the blank, write direct object if the verb has a direct object and no DO if it doesn't. Use the chart below to help you. Okay, so once again, we're going to use that to help us decide which one to pick. We all sit at the same table for lunch. So sit, if I go up here to the box, it says it has what? No direct object. Tom has set the class record for speed. So set says that it does have a direct object. I will sit for a portrait in the studio. So sit says what? No direct object according to the box. Will you sit with us at the basketball game? The children sat down after the bell rang. What does the box say? No direct object. Thomas was sitting in the front seat of Dad's car. He set his hat in the chair. The sick boy will lie down during recess. No direct object. Laura had lain on the blanket all morning. Which one? Was Betty lying down earlier for a nap? So the reason why I did lying was because it's earlier, right? So no direct object according to the box. Okay. The toddler lay his head on his pillow. Direct object. The chef lay the pastries on a rack to cool. The dog had laid the newspaper at his master's feet. Direct object. Grandpa is lying in his hammock in the yard. Okay, you guys are going to do 15 through 21 for homework. Okay, so you're going to pick which word you think best completes it, which verb, okay, and then you need to say if it has a direct object or no direct object, and the box definitely helps you, right? Okay, so make sure you use it.